You want to find out how I created this custom QR code that goes straight to my website when someone scans it? Let me show you how to do it. Canva with a brand new design. I'm going to go over to the side here where it says apps and type in QR code. Here we go, QR code generator, and we're going to go to this one right here. And all you have to do right here is enter where you want your items to go. So I'm gonna do mine this time to my Etsy. Oops. Okay. Now right here you can customize it. You can change the background. You can change the foreground colors. So the background will be white and the foreground colors will be black if you want to leave it that way. You can change the margins here, put them up or however you want it. I'm going to keep it like this and then hit generate. So this is your QR code here. Now I took it a step further. I left this like this. I shared it. I shared it as a PNG. I removed the background so it would just be a white bar. A white background. Here, let me show you. Okay, so you'll have this white box around it. Okay, so I went up, downloaded, click transparent background, and you have to be a pro member to be able to use that and download. It's not a big deal. If you're not, you can always get the background removed. The next thing I did, I went to Sora. This is my avatar that I made for myself a while ago. As you can see, I'm holding the iPad. Okay, so I wanted it to not hold the iPad. I wanted to be able to hold the QR code. So this is what I did. I put this image in and I said make her holding a plain white medium size square sticker and keep the background transparent. And this is one of the images that I got. And then I took this image, I saved it. You save it right here, and I went over to Photo P. Photo P is free. You do not have to sign up. So you go to File, Open. So once Photo P is open, then you're gonna go to the side here, the magic wand tool. Click that. Click on the little sticker. It's that simple. And then you're gonna, if you have a Mac, you're gonna go to Command J, and that's going to, our square is on another layer. The square is right there. I'm leaving it right there. And you can always change the background because you see it's not white. Okay, so go over here. This is the paint bucket tool, and we're gonna make this white, and then just click it. Okay, now let's turn that back on. Now we're gonna bring in, we're gonna say open and open and place. And we're gonna get that QR code that we just made again, upload that. Now, as you can see, press the check mark. As you can see this little box here, right click on it and rasterize the layer. And then you want the QR code going inside this box. Right click on it again and clipping mask. Now you're going to go here to the transfer tool. You see how it's too big? No worries. We're going up to edit, transform, scale, and then scale it down. Scale it down to fit. Okay, and that's pretty much it. We have it, and we are going to go to File, Export as a PNG. You can name it whatever. I am going to name this one, let's see, sticker, and save. Okay, so this one should be the Etsy one, and I'm gonna have to transfer over to my phone to make sure that one worked.
And as you can see, it did work. Yay! Don't forget to comment, like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new tutorials, tricks, hacks, and all that. Have a good day. Bye!